Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this redarin, this beautiful redarin dish, and here are my ingredients that I will be using. Redarin looking so good, but you know you have to debone it, right? So here it is all ready to be cooked and eaten. You can actually eat it like this, right? But yeah, so let's cook it up. So here I have my pot and I have medium heat and I added some oil and I'm adding some garlic. I'm sauteing some garlic. So I also added some onions, right? And we're gonna saute that as well. So mix up everything together, right? We want to get it all nice and sizzling, and then we're gonna add some other goodies, some other niceness. By the way, I do not like to cook with a lot of oil. So you add what you like. If you want more oil in your pot, go ahead and add it. So here I'm adding some red bell peppers, green bell pepper, and I'm going in with some pimento seed and some thyme. Oh my goodness, can you smell it? And some green onions. So stir up everything. Oh my goodness, you can you smell what's going on in the kitchen? Pure excitement. So add what you like. If you don't like anything that I'm using, then don't add it, right? So we're going to cover this for about 2 to 3 minutes, right? But oh, let's add some scotchy. You know you can't leave out the scotch bonnet pepper. Add whatever pepper you want, or if you want any at all, you can use black pepper too, right? So yeah, we're going to after we finish sauteing this, we're going to leave it for just 2 minutes or three to let the flavors come together. Just beautiful and pure niceness. It looks so good. So we're gonna go ahead and we're stir it up. Then we're gonna add the redarin. Add the redarin, yes, and combination. Combination. We're gonna combine everything. But also Vibes fam, you can add some ketchup if you want, right? As I've said before, remember you can actually eat the redarin by itself, right? I'm just making it a little nice up. I'm not gonna add any tomato ketchup, but you can add tomato ketchup if you want, right? As I've always said, your food, add what you like. So yeah, Vibes fam, cover this for about 5 minutes. And then that's gonna be us all done. So here we have it, Vibes fam, nice and quick and easy. For me, it's some boiled dumpling. Boiled dumpling to my thing with some banana or something. Comment down below, tell me what would you have this with. But thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me. Please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you so much for the support. God bless you.